Home security is one of the top priorities for homeowners, and in a growing city like Knoxville, taking proactive steps to protect your property matters more than ever. While alarm systems and cameras often get the spotlight, one of the most effective, and often overlooked, ways to improve your home's security is by upgrading your doors. Replacement doors offer both immediate and long-term benefits that go beyond aesthetics, providing stronger protection, better durability, and greater peace of mind. Stronger materials, better protection. Older doors, especially those made from hollow wood or outdated materials, can be surprisingly easy to break through. Over time, they weaken due to weather exposure, wear and tear, or even poor initial construction. Replacement doors are typically built with stronger materials such as solid wood, fiberglass, or reinforced steel. These materials are far more resistant to forced entry, making it significantly harder for intruders to gain access. Steel doors, for example, are known for their strength and impact resistance, while fiberglass doors offer durability without the risk of warping or cracking. By simply upgrading your door, you're creating a much stronger barrier between your home and potential threats. Modern locking systems. Another major advantage of installing replacement doors is the ability to integrate modern locking systems. Many older doors rely on outdated locks that can be easily picked or forced open. New doors are designed to accommodate advanced locking mechanisms such as multi-point locks, smart locks, and reinforced deadbolts. Multi-point locking systems secure the door at multiple locations along the frame, making it far more difficult to pry open. Smart locks add an extra layer of control, allowing you to monitor and manage access remotely. These upgrades not only improve security but also offer convenience for busy households. Improved door frames and installation. A strong door is only as secure as its frame. In many cases, older homes in Knoxville may have door frames that have weakened over time or were never designed for modern security standards. Replacement door installations typically include reinforcing or replacing the frame, ensuring that the entire entry system is secure. Professional installation also ensures that the door fits perfectly within the frame. Gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can all create vulnerabilities that intruders might exploit. A properly installed replacement door eliminates these weak points, making your home more secure overall. Enhanced visibility and lighting options. Security isn't just about strength, it's also about visibility. Many replacement doors come with design options that improve your ability to see who is outside before opening the door. Features like peepholes, side lights, or decorative glass panels with reinforced or impact-resistant glass allow natural light in while maintaining security. In Knoxville neighborhoods where curb appeal and safety both matter, these features strike a balance between style and protection. You can choose designs that brighten your entryway without compromising your home's security. Weather resistance and longevity. Knoxville experiences a mix of weather conditions throughout the year, from humid summers to occasional storms. Older doors can deteriorate under these conditions, leading to cracks, warping, or weakened structures that compromise security. Replacement doors are built to withstand these environmental factors. Better insulation, weather stripping, and durable finishes help maintain the door's integrity over time. A door that holds up against the elements is less likely to develop weak spots that could be exploited. Increased property value and peace of mind. Investing in replacement doors doesn't just improve security, it also adds value to your home. Potential buyers often look for properties with updated security features, and a sturdy, modern entry door can make a strong impression. More importantly, it gives you peace of mind. Knowing that your home is protected by a secure, well-installed door allows you to feel safer whether you're at home or away. It's a simple upgrade that delivers lasting benefits for your family's safety and comfort. Final thoughts. Improving home security doesn't always require complex systems or expensive technology. Sometimes, the most effective solutions are the simplest ones. By upgrading to high-quality replacement doors in Knoxville, homeowners can significantly enhance their home's security, durability, and overall value. It's a practical investment that pays off every day in safety and confidence.